Good morning and welcome to MuscleCar Garage. Today is detail day. Dom's going to be detailing this beautiful 1956 Corvette Roadster. We're going to be cleaning the inside of this car. You can see it's a lighter beige on the seats. It's a darker beige on the carpeting. We're going to have to take this vinyl top and we're going to have to put it outside in the sun because it's been sitting in this compartment here. As you can see, all the wrinkles and everything else. The sun is a great way to do that. You put it out in the sun, it softens it up, and once you latch it, it's back to normal. We're going to be cleaning all the chrome inside the door jambs, cleaning inside the compartment. We're going to be detailing the wheels. This is a really beautiful 1956 Corvette. Once this is done, it's eventually going to be sold at MuscleCar Garage. I'd like to show you the engine compartment, which is absolutely stunning on this car. It's got dual quads, 4-speed manual shift. This is one hell of a car, man. The paint on it is really, really nice. One classy car.